In this video, I will show you how to adjust paper size for printing in MS Word document. So click on File, then Print. Also, you can use the Control P. Now here is the settings for printing. You can select the Print all pages, print just the current page, and there are another options. Only print odd pages. So print entire document or only print even pages. Print one-sided or manually print on both sides. You can collect 1, 2, 3 or 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2 and 3. Here you can set the paper size like A4, A3. Here you can adjust the margin, wide, normal and custom margin. So you can change for top, bottom, right and left. Here you can print one page per sheet or 16 pages per sheet. Also you can select here scale to paper size like A4. So here select A4. So this is the all settings once you print this document. Thanks for watching.